किती सुंदर आहे. वाव. Namaskar, I'm Leena and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Marathi and Malayali. Join me as we are going to buy Cuckoo Clock for our new home. As promised in my last video, let me take you to a detailed tour of Cuckoo Clocks. Like Black Forest cake, Cuckoo Clock is a timeless gift and it's a cultural icon of Germany. The clock emits sound that reminds of a cuckoo cooing amidst the deep mountains and dense forests. So sweet and so pleasing. As you enter House of Thousand Clocks, you can see multiple options for souvenir like fridge magnets, keychains, postcards, hats, glassware, multifunction Swiss knives, hand-painted gifts and many more. It is gracing the homes of countless countries around the globe because of its beauty and good luck. It is believed that cuckoo bird brings good luck for the person who hears it. Even today, the famous cuckoo clock is still very popular. Now let's talk about design. There are basically two designs, classic and the second one is chalet. Wooden cases are generally inspired by nature with leaves, animals, cuckoo bird, deer heads in the traditional or classic cuckoo clocks. Whereas chalet clocks are inspired by chalets or alpine houses of southern Germany. They often feature moving parts and characters which tell a story about the village life in Black Forest. This clock was awarded Black Forest Clock of the year 2022. Looking at the price tags, you might be wondering, why are these clocks so expensive? Well, there are three chief reasons, namely wood, skilled workers and handicraft. First step starts from selecting the right wood. Once wood is cut, it needs to be dried for many years before working to avoid cracking. In order to create one cuckoo clock, whole team of skilled woodworkers, carvers, mechanics, painters are required.
अरे इकडे हे बघ वर किती सुंदर आहे बघ. काय आहे ते? पुण्याला.
किती सुंदर आहे. वाव, धोका किती आहे दीदी, हो ना? तुला आवडलं? Along with classic and chalet clocks, you get a wide variety of modern clocks too. Since Christmas was around the corner, we could see these special Christmas clocks too. After visiting House of Thousand Clocks, we drove for 3 kilometers to see the tallest cuckoo clock in the world. This is the biggest cuckoo clock. In 1997, this clock made to Guinness Book of Records for being the tallest cuckoo clock in the world. Construction of this clock started in 1989. It took 5 years to construct this masterpiece. Adjoining this clock, you will see this store named Uhren Park. The prices for cuckoo clocks are more reasonable here than the shops at city center of Triberg. Each clock has a code which explains the different items it has. 3 most common codes that you will find on cuckoo clocks are Q, M, T. Q stands for chords, M for music, and T for turntable, which means dancers or figurines that spin on turntable.
The typical clocks here with the cuckoo bird, squirrel, and the 5 leaves. This is the original design. Here you have a cuckoo call, music, and together with the music, the dancers are moving around. Yeah. So it depends what you would like to spend. Yeah, it's a matter of the budget. Yeah.
Agreed. Mechanical cuckoo clocks require winding either each day or each week. Comparable models with 8-day movements are usually more expensive than 1-day movements. They usually play 2 traditional German songs alternately. Whereas chords are battery operated clocks. In that, winding is not required. The battery lasts for approximately 1 year and thus making the maintenance of quartz clock minimal. Quartz clocks usually play their melodies every hour and they have 12 different melodies.
So you want to try this?
times it will cuckoo. Now it will cuckoo 12 times. 4 more times.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, 10, 11, 12.
It's only right.
This is classic. Isn't it?
Yay! Cuckoo clock is ours. Thanks, Nikhil, for fulfilling my wish. God's clock that we got has got sensor. So when the lights are turned off at night, they'll automatically silence the hourly time. So when the room gets dark at night, the clock will be silent until morning. Wondering why I got this cuckoo clock? Let me tell you 4 reasons. First, if you love Germany, having a Black Forest cuckoo clock is the supreme souvenir, as it is the essence of German engineering and craftsmanship. Second, if you have small children, they'll be intrigued to see cuckoo bird chirping every hour. Third, it will add to decor and grandeur of your home. Fourth, cuckoo clock is a timeless beauty. This lovely heritage can be passed to your younger generation. Along the way, we stopped to click selfies with amazing green background.
Oh, this is only cycling area.
In 150 meters, make a U-turn at Wolfach, Hausarch.
We were thrilled to drive along the alpine houses with vast green meadows in backdrop. As we drove towards our home, we saw this lovely beauty along the road. And I thought I should share the uncut version of our journey back home. So here it is.
The farm.
जाऊया ना राजा सिग्नल आहे बघ सिग्नल
Chocolate those?
अरे लावे
I read that all. I read that too.
right after the car.
White blanket of ice along both the sides of the road made the journey even more memorable. I hope you found content in today's video interesting. If yes, like this video. Drive in this car was awesome. Thank you, Sebastian. It was really thoughtful and kind gesture. This car has got adaptive cruise control feature. So as you can see, from 170, the speed reduced to 140. yes, subscribe to our channel Marathi
Manati
and
Anna
Malayali.
Manali.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next vlog. Bye.